Hey guys, and today I'm going to be doing a quick play and review video. Sorry about that. So I'm going to use one of my baby brother's toys. Actually, I think this was either mine or my brother's when I was younger, but I'm going to use this toy to stand it up. Actually, I'm going to put the camera lower. So, even though my dad's not a YouTuber, I'm giving him a shout out because he put batteries in these things and the remotes only work. This is Lightning McQueen, like from part 1, and he goes into Radiator Springs and Mater. I've already done a Cars 3 tour review, so if you want to go see the movies, they're available. Cars 3 probably doesn't play in theaters anymore. Maybe it does. Cars 2 and 1 I know don't play in theaters anymore, but if you have a Dish TV, Dish Cinema, if you have another TV where they have a recent event of that playing or something, whatever, I recommend you go see the movie, but go see it after you watch this video. So, we have Radiator Springs, Lightning McQueen, and Mater. So here are the remotes. The way where the pictures are is the way that you push these levers to make them go forward. To make them go backward, you push on this side. It says Disney Pixar Cars. So wait, let me just make sure they're on and press the top buttons. Okay, now they're on. So I'm going to show you. So look, the one with the green, the brown is Mater. And they also say stuff when they drive and start driving. And then the red and white one is Lightning McQueen's. And also, this is Tow Mater's towing service and whatever. And then Lightning McQueen's has a lightning bolt, which is pretty cool. So they go front, back. Oh no! Oops, sorry guys. Give me a moment. Okay, that's better. I don't think these are sold in stores anymore, and if they are, you're probably going to find these in the clearance aisle because these were probably made years ago. They might have been made like a few days before the Cars movie came out, or before, or after the movie. It might have been even before 2000. I know. Well, it might even have been before I was born. I don't even know when these things were created, but they probably don't sell in stores anymore. And if they do, you're finding them in the clearance aisle for a couple of bucks. If not, just go to eBay or something. RC cars might kind of cost a lot, maybe, I guess, if you buy them, but I think the figures actually come separately. So if you want Lightning McQueen, but think it's going to be double the price, no, you can just buy him separately. But if you want both of them and don't care about the price, then and maybe if you went to eBay, they would sell both in one piece. But I'm just saying, you don't have to buy them, but they are pretty cool. They don't do much. They talk, go back, go front. Maybe I should try pulling off some stunts with these guys. I'm going to go get some stunt materials. I'm going to pause the video, okay? While I get the stunt materials. So I've done Lightning McQueen and Hudson Hornet as a racer. I'm going to put Hudson Hornet in front of Vader and then I go Lightning McQueen in front of Lightning. They're both shown here. But well, guys, I'm about to give away a spoiler. So in the movie, this guy's racing. He crashes and then stops racing. So all the extra decals you see on here, Fabulous Hudson Hornet, all the 51s, all the other stuff, that's actually gone. He's just like, yeah. And then he goes into Radiator Springs, I guess. So I hope that didn't spoil it for you guys. but most of you probably already saw Cars 1. And some of my viewers are the people from my family, and, well, they've, of course, seen the movie. Me and my brother just really want to go see part 3, so I'm just going to choose stunt. Stunt number 1, pushing cars. First up, lightning. I crashed into the camera! Was this dumb thing even shut off? Disney Pixar, I'm not calling your toys dumb. Ah! Ooh, that's gonna hurt. Also, the king from Dinoco. Wait, no. Okay, that's just one of the characters. I don't think that's too big of a spoiler, but here's a real spoiler. I just want to say spoiler alert. Like Hudson Hornet, the king from Dinoco also crashed, and it was a dream Lightning McQueen was in Dinoco, but then he was right in front of the finish line, went back and saved him, and then Chick Hicks, who is like a big cheater, he knocked him out, and then even though he had won, since he knocked out King, they didn't let him join Dinoco. He did win the Piston Cup. Well, who cares? I'm going to consider everyone except him won, instead of saying that he won. I'm actually going to sit up here and control them. So next up, Mater. Oh good, no crash this time. I actually backed him up. Crash like you did in that race. I only got materials for one stunt. I'm trying to show you more of these. Mater, shut your wheels. So I pretty much know. Mater, why? These toys are crazy. Mater, I already told you to shut your wheels. Sorry guys, this might take a while. It's better. Now where were we? So Lightning McQueen goes into Radio Springs, and then he gets a new paint job, and like some other stuff, and I get some new wheels as well. They're supposed to be like white walls, and they're actually black in the beginning. So yeah. So okay. Yeah. He got some other stuff too, but he's only shown with his new paint job and his wheels. I think on the two back wheels, they have like little parts of plastic chipped off of there, apparently. So, I'm sorry if you hear the TV or any other background noise, but I usually do my videos down here because my baby brother isn't down here to ruin them. My baby brother's still super cute, so I can't forgive him. Okay. I don't think there's anything more to say about these, but they're great toys. You can buy them. They're probably gonna be a couple of bucks less, since these toys are pretty old ones. We got our box of cars from the basement, and well, I just have to go to the bathroom, but I really don't want to stop the video. Okay, so guys, there was a box of cars in our basement, and we found the 2 remotes and these guys. So, bye guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to try this quick because I still have to go to the bathroom.